So this is my 220 stove outlet. Unfortunately, my new stove, I need to have either the plug be to the right or the left, or I'm gonna try to move it down low because the new stove has this issue in the back where you can't have it right in the middle, where my old stove had lots of room and they could put it right in the middle. So this typically they recommend to put it either to the left or the right, but unfortunately the people here put it right in the center line. I think because there was a stud here and they were a little bit lazy, and unfortunately they put it right there. So I'm gonna try to move it down to this way, and then I'm gonna also have to rotate it so that the plug will come out to the side, because I can't arch it up. All right, so what I did was basically I took off the outlet and then I cut the drywall out with this little, initially I used a hacksaw, and then I used just a drywall saw to cut that out. So now I can work on getting this box down there, and I'll probably a nail holding it. Here's a stud right here, so there's probably a nail in here, so I'll use the hacksaw to get up in this. I'll get up in here and just take out that nail. Actually, the nail is right under the box there, which is convenient, so I'll pull that out, and then hopefully the box will come. This box might have one on the top too, so I'll cross that bridge when I get to it. All right, so I got the vice grip on the nail, and then I'm just gonna whack it out this way. All right, so now I got the box out of there. I did end up sawing that upper screw off with the hacksaw. Bottom one I pulled out because that was in there like that. So now I'll got a new box, and I'm gonna get that oriented in there. Okay, so I got the new box in there. I screwed it in through here, and then I put one screw there, and then I'm gonna put a little piece of wood in here just so I can have something to screw a drywall patch into. All right, I got a piece of drywall on there. I just quickly covered up the drywall screws. No one's ever gonna see it, so I'm not gonna worry about making it look perfect. Okay, there it is. Got the little plate on there, cover plate. And I put an insulation, a little bit of foam insulation just inside the plate to keep it sealed. And there we go.